Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Shopify Partners account. First, search for Shopify Partners login and go to their website. Once in, click on Become a Partner. Now you can either create a Shopify account or log into your existing one. For here, I will create a new one by using my Google account. Now just answer on how would you like to get started as a partner. Then just answer the question provided by Shopify and click on next. Now just type in your business location. And in here you need to add your business contact information. Once done on filling out all the details, just click on Create Partner Organization. And that's it. Now you will be brought to your Shopify Partners account dashboard. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.